Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can extract distinct, unique, and duplicate list of values from your source list of values. So let's get started. The first step I would do is select all the list of values that you have along with the header and do Control T to convert it into a table. And you can give this table a name. And then you select all the values in this table, not the header, just the values, and press Ctrl F3 and give a new name to this list of values. This will be very useful when we write formulas. It will be easy to follow the formulas. So we have given a name to this list of values, and also when we expand and add more employee names, this will automatically expand. That's another benefit of doing so. Now let's get started with the formulas. I'll do unique. We will type in our list that we named, comma, false. This gives us a distinct list. I'm going to do again unique, list of employees that we named, comma, true. This will give you the list of names that appear only once. And finally, the duplicate list. This is a little bit more difficult or long formula. COUNTIF, list of employee, close, then apply a condition greater than 1. And now use this condition as a filter condition from our list. There we go. So now we have this, and now I will do to get a distinct list. That is it. So this is how simple it is for you to create a distinct, unique, or a duplicate list from a list of values. If I add another name to this list, you can see it automatically comes up here. And then if Dinesh is a duplicate value, you will see that it automatically goes here and not in this unique. This is how you can create it. If you have any questions about this, please post your questions in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for a more efficient method to do this task, please post your ideas in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in another video.